Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today report cover two major stories shaping the future of South Sudan. A new push for peace talk between women mediators and the SPLM-IO, and a strong warning from the European Union saying the coming 2026 election may not be safe or possible due to rising insecurity. Before we move on with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin this with women mediators meet SPLM-IO. On Tuesday in Juba, a group of South Sudanese women mediators sat down with the SPLM-IO leadership. And this meeting was not just a normal discussion. It was an attempt to rescue the 2018 peace agreement, which has been slowly dying because of broken promises, political fight, and daily insecurity. These women come from many professions: civil society, peace organization, legal background, and community work. Their program is supported by SEPO and UN Women. Their mission is simple: bring peace back to life before the country collapses completely. Why now? The country is stuck. There's no progress. The peace agreement is frozen. And the biggest political issue today is the arrest and trial of Dr. Riek Machar along with other SPLM-IO leaders. Machar is facing treason charges. The situation has created fear, mistrust, and complete shutdown. Or we can say complete slowdown in peace roadmap. Because of this, the SPLM-IO told the mediators that we cannot continue any high-level peace talk unless First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and all our detained leaders are released without conditions. Yolande Aweldeng message. Speaking to the media after the meeting, SPLM-IO official Yolande Aweldeng thanks the mediators, church leaders, and everyone trying to bring peace. She said, we are in this peace process 100%. We are in this peace process 100%. We support South Sudanese to South Sudanese dialogue. But she made one condition clear. We need the unconditional release of the first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and all SPLM-IO leaders in detention. According to Yolande, this is the only way to open the door for a bigger talk with the president and other peace partner. She say this step is needed to help the country move out of the endless transitional period, prepare for election, stop political confusion, rebuild trust, restore peace. She added that without this action, the peace roadmap will continue to fall. Florence Agiba, one of the women mediators, say the meeting was productive. She explained that they will hold more discussion during the week. They will meet all groups that signed the peace agreement. Their goal is to help the peace process move forward. They want to bring everyone to the table. She say, we hope all signatories will accept to come and talk. We want to complement the peace process and support implementation. The 2018 peace agreement brought an end to a 5-year civil war that killed almost 400,000 people. But even after the agreement, forces are still divided. Delays keep happening. Political mistrust remains high. Some leaders block implementation. Communities are still suffering. This new effort by the women mediators is seen as a last attempt to revive the peace deal before everything falls apart. So let's move on to this report from UN. This is very important, okay? EU want that 2026 election may not happen, the European Union. They have warned the South Sudan government that the 2026 election might not or may not happen. EU raised alarm in Juba. On the same day, the European Union delivered a strong message in Juba during CDSAM meeting. The European Union say the security situation is getting worse, not better. Losar Jaske, deputy of the African Union delegation, said there is a long list of ceasefire violations. Violence should never be used to achieve political goals. And he warned that the peace agreement is not being implemented properly. According to the European Union, fighting has increased across different areas. Government has increased, or government and opposition forces are clashing. Civilians are suffering within South Sudan. Ceasefire monitors are being denied access to these areas. Violence is used to intimidate communities. Army groups are spreading. The European Union says this behavior is dangerous and unacceptable. Security arrangement not working. One major problem is security reform, by the way. The peace agreement requires unified army, trained forces, redeployment of soldiers, clear command structure. But according to the European Union, forces are still divided. Command structure are unclear. Training is slow. Redeployment is blocked totally. Government is not cooperating fully with citizen monitors. Without security reform, the European Union say peace will remain weak in South Sudan. Elections are scheduled for December 2026, and the people of South Sudan are waiting. But the European Union say the country is not ready. And many reasons were said by the EU, and the reason were no security, no political decision, no clear election calendar. National Electoral Commission has no support, there's no funding. Peace roadmap is not moving. Political parties are fighting. Detention and arrests create more mistrust. The European Union say election must be served and credible, not rushed or forced. And just K added say the Electoral Commission cannot do everything alone. It needs political decision and an action plan. Well, the government was supposed to present a full plan in September 2024, explaining how the peace agreement will be implemented, the timeline, the budget, responsibility, but the plan never came. That was 2024. The European Union said this delay shows lack of seriousness. Here, what these two stories mean? The country is stuck in political tension. With Nasha detained and mistrust growing, the opposition refused to join serious peace talk. Without peace, unified forces and clear decision, election may not happen in 2026. Second, violence continue in several regions. Communities are still fleeing from clashes between government and opposition forces. International confidence is falling. The European Union, African Union, and IGAD are losing patience with the slow pace. The peace deal is close to collapsing. If leaders do not talk soon, the country could return to the full conflict. They are stepping in. Women mediators are offering hope. They are stepping in because political leaders have failed. But there are possible next steps. If Dr. Machar is released, high-level political dialogue may start. Opposition will rejoin peace talk. Trust will rebuild. Preparation for election may move forward. But if he is not released, SPLMI may withdraw from the peace process. Violence could increase. Election may be impossible. Country may return to chaos again. South Sudan stands at a crossroad. Women mediators are trying to open doors. SPLMIO demanding the release of its detained leader, and the European Union is warning that the country is running out of time to prepare for election. This is a moment for leadership, unity, and courage. We will continue following this story and bring you update here on Changfied. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily news in simple. Gwasime bana raketin konlat Krodian. Biakamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Bana racha kalari dangroti very important. Take a mentor share leka te shimal jikana olat shika raike kume shika jeke kume SPLMI yore wiki juba. Kashangara ka jok la group South Sudanese women ke men share leka te la mediator te de malde jalwach ke de malde ke non kam kume SPLMI yo ke ne kume men raikim yadida wa shika dole wichin binimi wa te te chikan galat. But in discussion that you can watch normal, we are very serious. She meant you can only take Malaysia tank 2018 peace agreement. They can you can joke. Mal 2018 peace agreement chatan a kirm yadit can a doctor machar, which I know mutul can tell me, Chedamanga corner. Chatul a kir can a neka. Gwasidan chaladu take to go to the lat but can kabenuka gwastian. Okay? Can kir can a kalat gwastian. Chimuku on a take a reporting corner gwasime and lamal medan made the yatan and she bondaro chadin yach. Okay, but tell me she way. Can manatee chikarach no? Chikara connecting one chikara civil society, chikara peace organization, connecting one cocaine. Take a tin many program. Which are support la program you need to support the SEPO and UN women and SEPO duru muchal ke mun yakane jala kweramo chaman chagara aleka and wobugo like GSPLA yoko de kan ideal de kan ngong but then jodan chala lat gwasa menetin content kel ke dakre ma chala GSPLA yo jikala gwanu wona me kan dakre ma char me kan ko ngetijen tele dwom ma ba mal ba jalat keja Korean machar jera madana la kuerka SPLAU mala de lado telejetena kani chedemonto akane first lonya reg machar lonya dakre machar micha dakre machar chi ajelon don mo kulo te chance ko binaroch kanga ne dial no reg machar chaje yena kir en GSPLMIU gwaldan yina roitin chikala do nene. We cannot continue in a high level peace talk unless Dr. Machar and all our detained leaders are released without condition. Kanichi kan buru kaniti te company chalke sepo murai kamer mun yakani la civil society group kan amenity tenchi ono no ede kan mal de kan do de kan mal no nga jemo gwan no ngore ma char ngore ti jen de mal kul no ngode ci GSPLA yo ka jogo no nena mal ba je no ke bana rek ku mal ka unless ya dakru ma cha cha je lun kan je kwar dial ten kontre ti jen name de kon ngaje no ren bumbum shiga ci bajen ci nen contour da mugwadu shale Yolanda a welding message de kwan de right tinga ji media ci la do nena SPLMI official Yolanda a welding ce lere tes ke mediator in kon shiben ke sholi de tin ci kaka tin ci wono de kan ma de derben but ci la do nena non ne mal kondial We support peace. We are in peace process 100%. We support South Sudanese to South Sudanese dialogue. But she made one condition clear. We need an unconditional release of first Vice President Dr. Machar and all SPLMIO leader in detention. Ajene dialogue kone chayen kelke Ring Machar ba kolun ka ba Ring Machar ba lun mite ka malbana yekule lat. So and will be mal detain ajene ba Ring Machar kolun. Ajene do dan and ba bukule take away or this is the only way to open the door for bigger talk. Okay, President Self Kim Yadi. Mekan Kim Yadi can Ring Machar can a con a genital guan ba mal ba jalat keja. Koram dan kula guan malka, a gentle Giano, take a special code in Kenyam, Benyaja, Abira, and then Banra Kamal. Ring Machar Chadilun, of course, Bamal Bokula to work. But this endless transitional period budget took, but I didn't prepare election. Kachikaladano, Ekim Yadi, Siasa Pele. Ana chenang redika agor jeno bene dialti bagalon jen kone chayen ko jen do badana ku mal kulet jenga je cha mal chay lelet keje chala do nena kan nediti kan bi kan rach ka jogan be women mediator ne de kone chare leka no men ko lat kamal sheikh chal floren agiba jen one of the women mediator chala do bene rach ko rach paine lat gwasme rach mo gwalong they will hold more discussion during the week. They will meet all groups that sign the peace agreement because you can real con chama charge time. Of course, we con madalero. Young Machar is the only person with them malde, you know. So can you go any order can malde can a jacko there to one. But mal by the cool lad de come ring Machar more to gen. So na me bala impossible math come unless I ring Machar charge release ka joran chalat kija. Chana we color diana me. Laji European Union chicken warning chicken top ka kui 2026 election la national election we ka South Sudan European Union chicken warning kan top EU European Union chikala do nena chicken message gonna come ne ko ni chal ke sidisam ne de konti la cease fire monitoring body ne de konem go ka Malten kana entama South Sudan ko ka wona kan go woniam. The security situation is getting worse in South Sudan, not better. Tell a security munjan kagoy. Losar Jaske, deputy of the EU delegation, there's a long list of ceasefire violations. I didn't take a listen to money can go gorki, windy can go gore. The new the guan which are malidan charge the Cheladone and talk curtity again a Jack Malco charge mal lallet. So Jeremy Chamal charge a lot of term again Guasime Chaquin quart charge a bullet K2026. European Union the color one a Genesis fire Chajia Kawi the Altum Ware South Sudan. Guamela government force can opposition force like an yin Dani Kier can a daring Machala can yinton, Genital Malm Deben. Can I call a ceasefire monitoring a citizen, Pankin? Wa pen yo gwa down dong de kan kode kan glory ten chaga no jal ko me kirmi yadit ko kir jala dini ka jagone but tell way out kake chigala do ne en wo ba mal ba jalat mal go let one en mal go ba dini ba ka dil mat gwasken ba mat gwasken unified army en yok ba dini ba nyo minge kake ka jen ba nyo ko mo kwa la lende ke ba ka redeployment ano ka ba clear command structure ba jala de lo ba ne dial ba mu ko command got ken kon buga chongten European Union kala do ne tende nyumot kan tikan daka la force are still divided kan korean mat command structure bo unclear chinaren chikaren no kon ko la dine teleke structure kel anyok ngini mengi na je tel mi chala ngini en me chal ken unified force dan lelke telewe cantonment sign dial chaga dak SSPDF Tem shall redeployment charge block already. Anyok and government point there, shall cooperate kana, shall cooperate KC the sum. So chala the European Union and one with that security reform, tell me shall ke peace, tell me shall ke national election. So a national election take a danger, you can't no. National election charge lat ko de jo lat ke jen paiwero, rokin dangro jen dangro de bakel. You know she European Union jala de one South Sudan is not ready for national election. Reason and yam, I can tell security which no security. I can no political decision. Tell security areleka, tell decision which animate, tell election dead which areleka. And yok, tele peace road map bo mi chana la ka bon ka tel national election commission tele ka fan tele ka yo ti yare ka la nyog yan ka na ore ka juba ka South Sudan gwan mi mo ne ko de mal ko la de ko participate ka national election ka reti gen ti European Union di kala do na election must be safe and credible, not rushed or forced. Kani election baje di lat gwat la ngai kijeno te malteten. So ma jak 2026 ko cha election charge blat kija. Kani electoral commission cannot do everything alone. Electoral commission che kan de ko inkwade lat karodien ke de kan wande kan galat. Mekan ne ko la pad ni ke bon kan goden kon mat. So tell we me da lat kija. Bon baren mat and then bokole te ko gwat mi mo mu dong bu plan bokole lat kija. So jo me jen jo dana chalat ban pe ko gwadame gono jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support e bi atakamal bye bye.